This isn't just engineering. This is precision for care. This is DCTC-MED.
Medical air systems are backbone of clinic environment. In critical care unit, clean air isn't just a comfort, it's survival. This system uses oil-free screw compressor to supply clean, dry air to patients. And at the heart of this setup is the screw pump. It includes the fixed screw, operating screw housing, and sealing frame. Everything must be tightly aligned and precisely machined. Even the small deviation in the screw profile can reduce efficiency, increase heat, or lead to failure. If there are internal voids, the compressor can't maintain pressure on the load. It may pass only tests, but it won't hold up in the continuous operations. These parts also need to remain stable on high RPM, thermal cycles, and daily stress. That's why screw casting are among the most technically demanding components we produced. And that's where Sunrise brings its strengths in simulation, in tooling, and in high precision casting executions.
Let's look at a real-world example.
It began with a redesign. A leading global medical air system company was upgrading one of its screw compressor platforms used in hospitals and labs to deliver clean, dry air. At the center of that platform was a critical component, a screw housing with a complex spiral cavity, tight and enclosed. They asked, can this be cast with the same level of accuracy? Can it seal without porosity? Can it hold 0.0076 mm profile tolerance repeatable? So we built a plan. We ran mold flow simulations to understand the behavior of metal inside the cavity. We designed a hybrid process, vacuum die casting plus semi-solid filling to minimize internal voids. We machined the screw profile on our high-precision Makino platform using customer pictures and process feedback to stay within microns. Was it perfect from the start? No. We tweaked the tooling, rerouted venting, rebalanced tooling, and through joint review with their engineers, we solved it together. And the outcome, a screw housing that holds pressure, maintain profile, and assembly exactly as designed, smoothly, reliably, without guesswork. Today, it's running in real hospital systems across North America and Europe, delivering clean air, breath by breath, day after day.
With rich experience, precision machinery, and high-end measuring equipment, we deliver products of exceptional quality. Contact us today to discuss your needs.